Hey, this is Sharon at Cold Creek Nurseries, and I'm here to show you this beautiful shipment of Vitex that we got in, also known as the Chaste Tree. This variety right here actually is the native, I believe from Mediterranean, and it has gorgeous blue flowers on it. They last basically all summer. They have this beautiful leaf. When I first saw this plant, I thought it was a marijuana plant. Didn't have blooms on it. I thought it was a marijuana plant. But the leaves are gorgeous on it. And this one will get about 10 to 20 feet. Butterflies, bees. This is a great pollinator plant because they just love this plant. And then we have another variety here called Summertime Blues. It's going to have a little bit different color in the blooms. The leaves look totally different on this one. This one only gets about 5 to 6 foot tall. So whichever size will fit your garden, one of these will look great. It'll be great for pollinators. This one can also be tree formed, and you can actually make it into a small ornamental tree, which would make a nice specimen in your garden. So come on down and check out the Vitex before they're all gone.